completed the installation of tail tidy in the Gixxer 150 SF. It's looking damn cooler than before. Not only the Gixxer but also the Duke 390. Both these bikes are looking damn cool. What do you say? Please mention in the comments below. So what did we have to do to install this on the bikes? What modification or alterations we had to do? I'll get back with a detailed review in the next vlog. And we couldn't install the tail tidy in the Dominar 400 as of now. Why? I'll give you a complete detail in the next vlog. So we haven't scrapped that idea. We'll be installing it in our Dominar, but in the coming weeks. So stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and I have one more reason for you to subscribe to our channel. We have a product to give away. What is it? It will be announced in the next vlog. So stay tuned to the channel. And as of now, we are a very small family, so you have a greater chance of winning. So stay tuned to the channel. Until then, let's see how the bikes are looking.